Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.